We're gonna install a lift kit and some tires and rims onto my Jeep, a 94 YJ.
Classic Jeep. And we ordered a rough country 1 1/4 inch body lift kit. So this is just a little body lift kit, just a little bump, nothing major, to create a little more room for bigger tires. And we were going with a, what tire?
31.
31.
Something.
1050.
Oh,
31,
so
1050. So it'll be a 31 inch diameter, 10.5 inches wide. And these are Dick Cepek's. I don't know if you can see this up. These are Dick Cepek's Trail Country EXP. Supposed to be a real highly rated all-terrain tire, and Dick Cepek DC-2 rims. So really excited to see how this turns out.
We just finished.
It may be 10 o'clock at night,
Yeah.
but we got it done.
Yeah. We had a bit of trouble with the tires getting them on. Then my dad got them all off.
Yeah, the wheels were fused to the hubs, but we got them off eventually. And we ran into a few problems with the lifts, but overall went relatively smooth. Nothing ever goes like you plan.
Yeah.
So we got it done. There you go.